Hey guys, so today I'm just going to show you a quick recipe for dinner type bread rolls. This is just an awesome one to have on hand for those just in case moments. If you've got guests over and they're lingering on your couch and you're thinking, are they here for dinner or what? Stretch out your dinner, put a bread roll on each of the plates. The beauty of these are they're so quick, you don't need to leave them to rise or anything. It's 15 minutes in the oven and they're done. It is really easy. I've just got the oven preheating at 175 degrees. In a bowl, I'm going to put 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a cup of milk, you're going to put that in, and 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Just kind of go on so it comes out. Yay! You want to help as well, but and give it a good mix.
Can I do half of it?
You can do some mixing each. It looks just slightly on the sloppy side. Just going to add a little bit more flour in here. Just sprinkle a bit of flour so it's not sticky. Just make sure it's all nicely mixed in. And I'm just going to divvy it into 5. This should make about five little bread rolls. Pop it into a muffin tray. So, I'm going to bake those bread rolls in the oven for about 15 minutes at 175 degrees Celsius. Look how cute they are. Those are some awesome little bread rolls. Just going to let them cool down for 5 minutes in here. Made a little lunch platter for the kids and we'll give them a test and we'll let you know. Nice consistency, very bread rolly. Gonna put a bit of butter on. I'll just have a bit of a taste of it on its own.
I'm just
yummy.
drinking it. I'm just drinking it. Hi.
That is really, really yummy. I think that the couple of dollops of mayonnaise that we can
No.
You reckon yummy? Seriously guys, give this a go. It is such a nice little easy thing. It probably takes just as long to make these as it does to zip down to the shop to buy some, depending on where you live in, I suppose. What do you guys reckon of the bread rolls? Have you had a taste?
Yum.
Giving a yum. So there we go guys. Hit like, leave me a comment, especially if you've had a go at making them. Subscribe and make some of these. They are so good.
Yep.